Today, we're looking at how you can use collaboration locally to drive footfall from social media posts. This is the Aylesbury Waterside Theatre. And as you can see, they're always showing great images of either shows that are coming up or what's going on in like that day, for example. As you can see, a little behind the scenes post here. Now, they have the Jersey Boys at the moment playing, and what they decided to do was they wanted to get them out and about in their full Jersey Boys gear and work with a local Italian restaurant in order to basically do a kind of promotion. So, you get 15% off all meals all this week with your Jersey Boy ticket. So they've done that as a collaboration. So they're kind of adding value, if you like, to your ticket. So, you get the ticket, and the idea would be, most people would go for a meal before they go for their theatre, or even after, if, you've got like a matinee or something. So they decided to do that as a promotion. I think it's such a good idea. Now let's have a look at what they did. So it's fab. It does all things. It publicizes the Jersey Boys. It publicizes the local Italian restaurant. It gives the people who've bought a ticket an extra added value. So it means you're much more likely to buy a ticket if you've not already. It increases engagement by partnering with, the new local restaurants. So it's great for both. It gives you a kind of real sense of community, and it shows followers which popular musical they currently have on. Plus, who doesn't love pizza, wine, and musicals? So if I was the Aylesbury Waterside Theatre, clearly they have a lot of content going on. So I'd want to go into my Maybe platform, go into content calendar, where I can actually see all of the content that's scheduled in already across all of my platforms. I can start to look at, okay, that one got some decent engagement. Actually, do I want to do that one again? But maybe I want to do it on, Twitter rather than Facebook. Then I can also go in and I can start scheduling them in directly through content calendar, because then it means that the more that I have scheduled in, the more that I can go in and engage. I can engage with other local businesses to see if I can try and drive any more promotions that way as well. Now, as always, if you've got any questions, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.